Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshong Hima.
Menteri Sarkar Pdiang Santanu Thakur ule pentep baka Sarkar India klub play kalat egitu ki bawansa ha India na Bangladesh Naduh ka live hui tarik no pra raja khatsau banlong ki Nongshong Shnong ba Pura ka India ulong bagini ki dei ki bawan phetwer na gijing sha penbor bat sha ban ben hakanyam kat ba bakali halor gijing don uwe unong Bangladesh bawan rungtu she India dangshan hak baki sipai ka Bangladesh kila kentat ban shimti yu Santanu Thakur ulaong bagani gadi gijingja ringkhat bat ong bawatla ude hinduru anumla banshu khanyat bet che India bat kerpat ya ke Bangladesh bukan wan ra biang ke Nongshong suk shongsan hagari.
But our government given the opportunity to those who are actually came from the Bangladesh by the pressure, by the religious pressure, we are going to give them the citizenship. Therefore, our ministry, Home Ministry, brought a gazette to give them the citizenship in India. 31st December 2014, who came actually India, we are going to give them the citizenship.
But what about the people who were pushed this side by BBG or Bangladesh towards Indian sector illegally?
Which one?
This recent incident.
This is unfortunate. We can request them, those who are Hindu actually living in that places, they will not be pushed here because they have a right to live in Bangladesh. I think they have getting so many. Actually, they are facing so many bad situation in there. We are going to request to Bangladesh government, please stop it.